name is Harpreet. I'm from Mohali and I've done my computer engineering from CCET, Punjab University, and I have a work ex of 2.5 years with the Infosys Chandigarh. And I had my IFT call on 12th February and my slot was 2 p.m. slot. I had a score of 53.9 in IFT and the cutoff was around 15. So I reached the venue pretty early, around 12 p.m. and I waited for the process to start. And started with the WAT. We had to write an essay. They gave us a sheet. There was no word limit, and they just told us to write for 20 minutes. And they told us that we can write whatever we can write in this sheet. Yeah, we can write. The topic was British Raj in India, good or bad. All I was aware of, I was not very well aware of the topic. I only knew about the positives, and that's what I wrote in the essay. I started with an introduction, and there were various less negatives I knew about, so I just wrote the negatives in one paragraph, and after that, the rest paragraphs I talked about the positives and concluded it well. And okay, after the WAT, we were supposed to, we moved to another room for the GD, and the GD topic was WikiLeaks is another form of investigative journalism. Everyone was given around 1 to 1.5 minutes to give an introduction, and they started in the same order in which we were sitting. The first person, I was around, I think, 5th person to speak, and I gave my views for the topic. I was not very well aware of WikiLeaks. All I knew was that it was a non-profit organization, and I also talked about that instead of doing all these things, we should rather focus on the right for information that we have. We should, instead of going to something like WikiLeaks, we should do that. That was only 2 points I had. And after that, after the introduction, everyone gave the introduction for around 1.5 minutes. After that, it was an open house and everyone was discussing. And I spoke for around 3 to 4 times. And I gave all the points. They were decent enough. And after that, there were 2 people in the GD who were very aggressive. And so there were around 4 people who could not speak much in the GD. And after that, after the GD was over, those 4 people were told to conclude or give their conclusion or their final views on the topic. After that, we were told to wait for our PI calls, and we were called in the same order of the way we were sitting in the GD. I was 5th to be interviewed, and my interview went for around 5 to 6 minutes, I guess. And when I entered, I wished them, and they started. They asked me for my introduction. I gave my introduction. After that, there were 3 people in the panelists. There was one lady, around 20-30 years. The middle one was a little older, around 50 years, and again 30-40 years old, the third gentleman. And he was the one who started the interview. He asked me to introduce myself. I started with my introduction. After that, he said that, after I finished my introduction, the middle guy told me that this year the whole batch is going to be very diverse. The person before you was a painter and you are a dancer, so we are going to have a very diverse batch this year. This is what he told me. I just laughed over it. And after that, the third person, he asked me for question on dance. He asked me that what is the latest movie on dance that was released, who was the director of the movie, and he asked 1-2 questions on that. After that, the females, she asked me for that what is the best quality according to you for a team player, and I told her. And then the same first person who asked me the first question, he asked me a question on like he asked me that since you're working and there must be people who are reporting to you, so what do you think is a more important quality, hard work, or you just look at results? So I gave an answer to him, and the middle one asked me a little technical questions about onshore that was related to my work, onshore and offshore, and he also asked me about the percentage of exports contributed by the IT sector. So I gave him that answer, and after that, that was it. It was a very short interview, and they said that I could go. That was all. I wished them and